Assalamualaikum to Madam. We are from Group 1 and we will be presenting about job design and analysis. My name is Rari Fumisha Zwani and I will be presenting about the importance of job design in increasing the organization performance. So, why job design is important? Because has an impact on the efficiency of the organization. It also contributes significantly to the enhancement of working conditions. And then it also plays an important role in improving quality of working life. It designed the tasks required to complete the job successfully. Next, we move to the job design and the organization. We have three factors that impact the performance in the organization in job design. The first is work nature. Job design is required to classify multiple tasks into work. The various tasks may be planning, executing, monitoring, controlling, and many more. And all these are to be taken into consideration while designing a job. Next is ergonomics. Ergonomics aimed at designing jobs in such way that the physical abilities and individual traits of employees are taken into consideration to assure the efficiency and productivity. And then workflow. Workflow is product and service type often determines the sequence of workflow. Job design ensures that there is a balance between multiple product or services processes. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum to Dr. Dewi Tajuddin. My name is Yan Dispenyusran and I will be present about job design approach, which is better to use in job design and why it is better to use. So the best approach is focus on person, which is bottom up approach, which is enrichment. This is refers to the expansion of the number of different tasks performed by an employee in a single job, included adding extra tasks, also called job enlargement. Job enlargement ni refers to the expansion of the number of different tasks performed by an employee in a single job. For example, auto mechanic undergoes job enlargement when he switch from only changing oil to changing oil, greasing, and changing transmissions fluid. Job enlargement attempts to add somewhat similar tasks to the existing job so that it has more to be interesting. And for an enlargement job can motivate an individual for 5 reasons. So this type of approach can motivate the employee in task variety. Task variety, height leap, fragment jobs require a limited number of unchanging responses tend to be extremely monotonous. Increasing the number of tasks to be performed can reduce the level of boredom. And the second one is meaningful work modules, which is frequently and jobs are enlarged so that one worker completes a whole unit of work or at least a major portion of it. And this tends to increase satisfactions by allowing workers to appreciate their contributions to the entire project or product. And the third one is ability utilizations. Worker derive greater satisfactions from jobs that utilize their physical and mental skills and abilities better. And the fourth one is worker pace control, which is job enlargement scheme often move a worker from a machine paced production line to a job in which the worker pace himself. Workers feel as fatigued and are likely to enjoy their work more if they can vary the work at their own pace. And the last one is perform speed feedback. This is workers performing narrow jobs with a short performance cycles repeat at the same set of motion endlessly without a meaningful and end point. And the advantage of this job enrichment is increased employee job satisfaction, lower employee turnover, lower training costs because they use the same employee, so they make the employee more tasks to do, and better communication among management and employee, and increase productivity. That's all for me for job design approach. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good evening, madam. My name is Nur Azrul bin Nur Azman, and I'll be presenting about the methods of collecting data. So, data collection is a procedure of collecting, measuring, and analyzing accurate insights for research using standard validated techniques. A researcher can evaluate their hypothesis on the basis of collected data. In most cases, data collection is the primary and most important step of research. There are four methods of collecting data, which is interview, questionnaire, and observation and diaries. So interview is a talk between individual employees and their managers about the parameters of the job. The recorded information that is provided by the employees are vital for the future use of the organization. Next, observation is an activity of observing and documenting activities performed by the employees while they work. Job analysts can learn more about the job by recording the activities associated with it on a standardized form. Questionnaire, also known as survey, is a series of questions given to employees to gather job data. A standard questionnaire contains questions similar to an interview. And lastly, diaries. Employees are asked to keep diaries of their work activities for an entire work cycle. The diaries are normally filled out at a specific times of the work shift, such as every half an hour or an hour, and maintain it for about 2 to 4 weeks period. So how does data collection positively impact organization performance? First, faster and more intelligent decision making. The effective use of data collection allows organizations to obtain insights from information in order to make better decisions based on facts and remain proactive in their strategy. Lastly, make business process more efficient. With the information given by the employees, organization can identify bottlenecks or inefficient areas throughout the business process and eliminate it. That's all from me today. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nazinuddin bin Muhammad Nastam, and today I'm going to explain to you how job analysis improve the organizational performance. Conducting a job analysis is important because organizations are being asked to work linear and more efficiently while developing growth and innovation. It is important to be aware of the critical responsibility of each position, especially those that are considered strategic in nature and those that impact the customer and the bottom line. But first, what is job analysis? Job analysis is the process of obtaining information about a job by determining its duties, tasks, or activities. So how does it improve the organizational performance? It improves the organizational performance by first, helps in creating right job employee fit. This is one of the most crucial management activities, as filling the right person in the right job vacancy is a test of skill, understanding, and competency of HR manager, and job analysis help them understand what type of employee will be suitable to deliver a specific job successfully. Second, help in analyzing training and development need. The process of job analysis gives the answer to the following question: who to import training, when to import training, what should be the content of the training, what should be the type of training, behavioral or technical, who will conduct training. This training development has significant impact to improve the employee, hence improve the organizational performance. Next, provide first-hand job-related information. Job analysis is a process that provides with valuable job-related data that help managers and job analysis the duties and responsibility of a particular job, risk and hazard involved in it, skill and abilities required to perform the job, and other related information. And lastly, help in establishing effective hiring practice. Who is to be filled, where and when, who to target, and how for a specific job opening. Job analysis process give answer to all of these questions and help managers in creating, establishing, and maintaining effective hiring process. So, in conclusion, job analysis is important and hence improve organizational performance. That's all from me. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Kuzairin bin Kasim and I'm going to present about the job description and job specification. Job description and job specification are two major parts of job analysis. They define a job fully and guide the organization on how to go about the whole process of recruitment and selection. Both data are extremely relevant for creating a right fit between job and talent, evaluate performance and analyze training needs, and measuring the worth of particular job. So, what is the job description and job specification? Job description is a statement of the tasks, duties, and responsibilities of a job to be performed, which is a written document that describes the overall purpose of the job, tasks, duties, and responsibilities, or what human resources refer to, and the qualification needed to do it. While job specification is a statement of the specific knowledge, skill, and abilities of a person who is to perform a job needs. A part of the job description and outline the specific knowledge, skill, abilities, and other attributes. So, the purpose of the job description is to collect job-related data in order to advertise for a particular job. It helps in attracting, targeting, recruiting, and also selecting the right candidate for the right job. It also to determine what needs to be delivered in particular job. It clarifies what employees are supposed to do if selected for a particular job opening. Other than that, it also gives recruiting staff a clear view what kind of candidate is required by a particular department or division to perform a specific task or job. So, the purpose of the job specification is to help candidates analyze whether they are eligible to apply for a particular job vacancy or not. It helps a recruiting team of an organization understand what level of qualification, qualities, and set of characteristics should be present in candidate to make him or her eligible for the job opening. It also provides a very detailed information about any job including job responsibilities, desired technical and physical skills, conversational ability, and much more. So, why is job description and job specification are important in job analysis? The impact towards the organization too. Firstly, it helps to identify the right employees for the right job. Otherwise, it can ruin the organization if we pick the wrong candidates. Secondly, it helps human resources department and external recruiters to streamline the selection process and receive a high concentration of candidates who are suitable for interview or further selection.